Hi guys, today we're gonna be removing my makeup with me. So first we have hair mousse. Yes. Gotta really rub it in, guys. And now after that's done, I'm just gonna wipe my face. Okay, now that my face is wiped, we're gonna apply our makeup. So we got a whole makeup drawer. I think we're gonna go purple right now. And I'm just gonna, do some normal, oh my gosh. Some normal stuff, Okay, so there's my eye. Well, one of my eyes, actually. There's my lashes. My pupils. Slash my eyeballs. They look very nice. I'm also gonna do my eyebrows this color. I'm just gonna do my whole face this color, actually. Yes, very large nostrils. Now for the lips. Y'all have been asking me for a lip combo. So we're just gonna... I'll give you guys that. Alright. There's the first part of my face. Let's see. I need some mascara. So that's what we're gonna put on. Oops. Oopsies. Well, that's okay. Okay, so my lip combo. Let's do this. Where's my lipstick? Y'all help me find my lipstick. I can't find my lipstick. I'm so cooked. It's okay. I'll use a different one for now. So we have this very sparkly lipstick. I think it's from like Dollar Tree. I got this when I was 9. I should not be using this. Oh, my baka. Just really rub it in, get it towards my mustache too. Make my lips really big. Give my lips a little Botox. Lip filler, BBL. Alright, my lips got a BBL. Other way. Alright, and now we're just gonna put some gloss on it, Oh. Yeah. Really get it in there. Alright. And that's how I do my makeup in the morning, guys. Thank you very much.